I'll make it quick. It's Paul Titterington. I've got a wonderful series personally in my office right now. Do neighbors make a difference when they come through an open house? Absolutely, absolutely. One of the myths, especially when I sit down with sellers and I list a property, their response is, I don't know if I want the neighbors to come through. And I explain to them that the neighbors are the ones that know the area, they know the street, they know what's happening around the area, and they're very, very resourceful. So I recommend to my sellers, open the doors, let them come through. That way they can see it and they can talk to their sphere of influence. So if you're worried about neighbors coming through, those are more valuable than the public. And when I do an open house, obviously, I work and I think and I talk to all of them as if they're neighbors. So that's what's wonderful about this service. You build relationships, and I've sold many homes building relationships in open houses. Give me a call, let's have a cup of coffee, stop by my website and my social media. Thank you again. But neighbors, they mean a lot to an open house.